How do we personalize emails for customers that don't have first name or data issues? I've spoken about a lot of personalization. Personalization in emails is also something that you should definitely consider. I spoke about AmpScript before, and AmpScript does allow you to write a bit of code in order to say if first name does not exist, then add in hi there or things like that. AmpScript would use that. Obviously, if you have any data issues, always get into the key. I think really looking at your preference page and sending that out to people to get them to update it at that point in time. AmpScript helps with personalizing your emails. There is also within Marketing Cloud, you can go into the content builder. There's some predefined personalization or AmpScript code that you can utilize out of the box. One of the ones that I tell a lot of my customers is a proper case, which let's say your data is sitting with all uppercase, the little bit of snippet of AmpScript will actually just proper case everything.